Good morning, folks. It is Monday morning and we got a train today. Folks, you guys remember the last time we called, we had ELS 503 actually with us. Well, folks, conveniently, ELS 503, just that engine with a load, is rolling north. Thanks to our group for some word. Thank goodness I just got here and I'm on good time and heading over to the crossing. Stay tuned. Folks, I might not get to the crossing, but I'm gonna try to get as I can. There she is. Have to do it from I try to beat it, but I can get a zoom in shot. Got some empty center beams heading north. Some of the traffic, folks. I've noticed on the other side of the M95. There you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, as always. See you later.